Charlotte's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious dish. It's bulgur with mixed vegetable. Okay, so first you're going to bring the coconut milk to a boil. Then you're going to add your seasoning, pepper, scallion, thyme, and saute a little bit. Then you're going to put a little Maggi, a little black pepper, then you're going to add your bulgur, which I already soaked overnight, so it's soft and nice. So I'm going to add my bulgur. Then I'm going to add my mixed vegetables. Smells very delicious and it's very easy to make. You can have it with whatever meat you choose to have it with, or you can have it alone. Okay, so you can also tip a little salt if you want to. As I said, it was already soaked overnight, so it's basically cooked already. So I'm gonna just allow it to stay for like about 2 minutes, and it is ready. Okay. As I said, it's easy to make, and you soak your bulgur from overnight, so it doesn't take a lot of cooking. Right, so this is our delicious vegetable bulgur. Okay. If you are a vegetarian, this is a very nice dish for you. Okay, so just give it maybe a few minutes more. Okay, I think it's done. So I'm gonna taste. And this is the dish: bulgur with mixed vegetable. Okay. Dish is delicious, and as I said, you can have it with any meat of your choice, or you can just have it alone. It's very, very delicious. Okay, so live, love, laugh, Enjoy your food. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen.